Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
If you're planning to change the air filter yourself, this video will guide you through the process. Please enjoy the video. As the new Zontes 703F is becoming widely available in Europe, the UK, and other regions in Asia, you may think of maintaining certain service jobs on your ride. This may be because you are far from a Zontes dealer, or just saving money that dealers charge for labor, which can be expensive hourly rates. Changing the air filter on your Zontes 703F is an easy process, yet is essential for several reasons. Improved engine performance. A clean air filter ensures that the engine receives an adequate supply of clean air, which is crucial for optimal combustion. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, leading to reduced power and efficiency. Fuel efficiency. When the engine struggles to get enough air, it compensates by using more fuel. Replacing a dirty air filter can help maintain better fuel economy. Prolonged engine life. The air filter prevents dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine. Over time, a dirty filter can allow contaminants to bypass it, potentially causing engine wear and damage. Compliance with maintenance schedule. Regular air filter changes are part of the recommended maintenance for most motorbikes, including the Zontes 703F. Sticking to the schedule helps keep your bike in top condition. Environmental impact. A clean air filter contributes to better combustion, reducing harmful emissions and making your ride more eco-friendly.